This is my final project for CS50 Web. I built a program called Life Calendar based on the article Your Life in Weeks by Tom Urban on the Wait But Why blog, so that's over here. Basically lays out a little image for each week of your life. Looks like that. So you can come view it here. First thing you should do is register. Whatever email, and we can make the birthday, let's just say 10, oops, and we'll make it year 2000, so this person's about 20 years old. When you register, it's going to build the calendar. The server is a little slow. All right. Oh, misspelled that one. So now we log in and you should see, oh, a bunch of X's. So each X is a week that has passed and each O is a week in the future. And then H is the current week. So let's check the week of March 24th, 2020. Yep, today's March 26, 2020, so add highlight. Or let's do, and then you can add it and that shows up there. You can go back to the calendar. Let's go like add a highlight. The very first week. Add a highlight. Back to calendar. And then you can also go in and it'll stay there. So there's that one, and you can delete it. And now there's no highlights. Back to calendar. And this assumes that you have an 85-year life expectancy. So if you go each row has 52 weeks. And then so there will be 85 rows. So this would be your expected last week of your life. And then to make it mobile responsive, when the screen or the window size is less than 1200 pixels, it goes down to 13 weeks for a row, so 1/4. So then here 4 rows is 1 year, and still go all the way down and see all the X's and O's. Let's see. So the README kind of walks you through just what I did and talks about the schema. I have some future improvements in mind, but right now I was ready to submit, and that's what I want to do. So hope you enjoy it. Please feel free to check it out at the link there, and that's it.